All right, guys. What's going on? We're back again today. This week has been some speaking. This week has been one of my worst weeks. Uh, but we had a lot of high impact news this week, and today is another high impact news day. We just had 8:30 news, and we have 10 a.m. news. So I don't know if I want to take a trade. Usually, when I take trades around my trade time, I'm out of trades by 10 a.m. So if I'm in a trade and I'm out by 10 a.m., cool. But if I'm not in a trade by like 9:50 ish, I'm just gonna wait. And then I'm probably just gonna stop recording and then come back after 10 a.m., like an hour around 11. Um, or we just might not trade today. Simple. Um, sorry. So you guys know the setup already. We have London lows. We have London lows right here, Asia lows, the red. Asia highs, the red. London high already swept Asia high, so we don't really care for that anymore. And then let's go to the 1 hour. We got this 1 hour high, this 1 hour low, this 1 hour high up here, this 1 hour high right here before we take out Asia and London. We got this 4 hour high. We got another 4 hour low. We have another 4 hour low all the way down here. And that's really it. All right. Um, looking back for our day, looking for our daily bias. Right now, we're on the uptrend. I think today daily bias is bullish. We're on the uptrend. I think we're gonna get back up to all-time highs, sweep that. That's what I want to do. At least I want to at least sweep all-time highs. Looking on the 4 hour, we tap back into this fair value gap right here on the 4 hour, giving me even more of a confluence. Let me show you guys right here. It was just a little small fair value gap, but price wicked and filled through it. Right. Coming back in to the 1 hour. Price respected this bullish 1 hour fair value gap. What did I just Alt Shift? And again, price respected this bullish fair value gap right here. Damn, bro. Sheesh. So yeah, we're in this fair value gap right here, right now on the 1 hour. I think price respected it. So I think we're just gonna go down some more and then sweep London and Asia highs if we do go down, and then I think we're just gonna rally back up to all time highs. Um, but yeah, let's just watch it and see. Market opens in 5 minutes. New York Open is gonna really like get our move going. Um, but uh, right now on 30 minute, we have this 30-minute order block right here. All right, just do it from the wicks, and then we also have this fair value gap. I'm not getting sick. It's just like my throat is very raspy. It's like very dry. Like I need something to drink. We also have this little tiny fair value gap right there. So that's where price is just retracing right now. New York Open is going to give it the push to go green. But yeah, this week has been horrible. Sorry for you guys watching this shit show. Last week was very good, but coming into this week, bro, I knew this week was gonna be rough, bro. I had one, bro. I was winning too much last week, bro. Like that's how it is with trading, bro. When you go on like a win streak, you're just like, I know a loss is coming. You know what I mean? So I'm not really beating myself up too bad about it, but like, there's a lot of just damn. It's just a lot of rookie mistakes that I'm making that um I'm getting bothered by because like I know better. Obviously, I know not to be over risking. I know to be patient and stick to my strategy. But it's like at the same time, I haven't been trading for too long, bro. It's not like I'm a fucking professional day trader. I do this for a living or I'm profitable or anything. You know, I'm trying to get there, and this is the thing. This is like the shit I have to go through to get there. And once again, bro, I have not been trading for too long. I literally started trading in like June, bro. So to be where I am from June, which is barely a month ago, which is barely 2 months ago, bro. I meant to say, like, I'm just super blessed, bro. I passed like fucking four. I've been on Express 4 times, and then if I pass this time, it'll be my fifth time. If you guys think I'm lying, I'll pull up all my certificates right now. I've been on Express 4 times. This would be my fifth time when I pass this eval. I just haven't gotten the payout yet, so that's my next goal. And I think me getting so close is like making me like a little bit impatient because like I'm like, bro, I'm getting so close. Like, just give me the payout already. But I just need to stick to the main thing and make the main thing. Like, just stick to my strategy and stuff and stay patient and keep my risk control. So a lot of people have been saying go to micros and stuff like that. I'm gonna go to micros. I think I'm gonna do 5 micro NQ. I heard that's good. Start off with that, see what that's about. But I'm gonna do that when I get back on Express. I'm not trading micros on the eval because I'm trying to hurry up and get off this. Like, I'm not trying to tell you guys anything because I don't think I'm in any type of position to be getting trading advice. But like, you gotta basically like you gotta go crazy on the eval, bro. You gotta throw some numbers out there because you need to hurry up and get off of it, bro. It's a subscription if you're not off of it. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta hurry up and get off of it. But we're coming down. It's 9:30. All right. Can we please take out London and Asia lows? Just want to see London and Asia lows get hit. It's 9:30. News shouldn't really be impacting the market too much. Let's see. Actually, greater than the forecast is good for the currency. So this is bad for the market. This is good for market, and I guess this is like doesn't really affect the market, but this is bad. Well, this is good. This is bad. So yeah. All right. We just took out London and Asia lows. Let's go down to the 5. We just swept it. Just gonna wait for this candle to close. We're looking for ugh. We're looking for our reversal confluences or our continuation confluences. So what we're gonna look for is a inverse fair value gap, break of structure, um, and then for continuation, we're just gonna look for a fair value gap, equilibrium, order block, or break of block. Damn, candle of hell, dude. This shit is going down, dude. Yeah, so but we're looking for a reversal because I think we're long today, honestly. Like I said on the one day, well now on the one day we're red. But we were green on the daily and we're still on the uptrend. Okay. Still on the uptrend, and we have to come all the way down here. for a break of structure. We have to come all like a candle has to close all the way down here. So we're still uptrend, and I think we're gonna be uptrend for a while. I think we could catch a short long today. Market might still be going down today. I don't know. I'm not trying to predict. I'm not trying to predict where this shit is gonna like fully go, but I'm pretty confident that like there's gonna be some good longs today. We could catch a good long. Um, in Asia low just got swept. How long until this damn candle closes? Has another minute. Stay on the 5 minute. Let's just see what the one is looking like. So on the 1 minute, we have this fair value gap. This fair value gap in the 1 minute. One minute for FEG. Check the five. The five. This one closes in 3 seconds. All right, man. All right, let's see what this goes. All right. Just watching it on the five. If we could get because we have a 5 minute. All right. See, we have a breaker block. We have breaker block. The fuck. We have an order block right here. So if we get a retracement up into that order block, that'll be good. We also have a fair value gap right here. This is an order block because this is the move that swept this liquidity, and this is the fair value gap because fair value gaps from here because this is where there's no liquidity. So these are continuation confluences. For reversal, bro, we're just looking for either like a break of structure. So if we can get a closure, so if this candle closes above this high right here, we'll have a break of structure. And that'd be good if it closes above this high because that means it's in line with our daily buys. Well, one, it's a reversal confluence. So that means instead of price selling, it's going to go back up. Two, it aligns with our daily buys. I want longs. So guess what? If this is reversing, it's a breaker structure. We're switching trend from down from sell to buy. That means good. I could go long. And then boom, we could target London and Asia highs from probably like for a pretty good move. We could target London Asia highs from maybe like right here to up here. But we gotta wait and see. It's in this fair value gap, so failed it. So it's not really valid no more because the wick is on this side, this covers price, and the wick on this side covers price. It's not really a fair value gap anymore. So let's see. Let's check the one on the 1 minute. Got a. Did we get a 1 minute break structure? No, we didn't. Get a 1 minute break of structure up here. That'd be good. Like if a 1 minute candle comes above here and closes above here, that'll be good. That'll like let us know that okay, hey, we're going uptrend. That wouldn't be enough to enter off of. Right. I think that fair value gap. We gotta see what this candle closure does. But I think this fair value gap defaulted our daily bias because price retraced into there, and it's looking like it's respecting it. Um, like I don't know, candle's not done yet. We gotta wait and see, but I think this, like this, just default to our daily bias. 13 seconds left. All right, let's look on the 1 minute because we're not really getting anything. Well, we got one continuation confluence. All right, let's look on the 1 minute for an entry. Got a break of structure on the 1 minute right here. Lower low. So now what we're looking for is from this high to this low. I want to get back in equilibrium. So if I can get back in equilibrium, we got a 5 minute fair value gap that got filled. Break of structure, and we have equilibrium. Three confluences that we could take for this trade. So the price could get back up into this equilibrium. I hit sell. But we just got to be patient and just wait for a retracement. We might have missed our entry off that order, off that fair value gap, which is cool. Nothing crazy or anything. The prices continuing lower. We just gotta wait for a retracement. That's it. Probably just have to wait for another fair value gap to be made. Gotta stay patient. If we can get a retracement back into equilibrium, that would be great. All right. All right. So 5 minute fair value gap got filled. We got a 1 minute break of structure. We got a 5 minute break of structure too. Price is now back in equilibrium. I want to wait for this candle closure, but let's wait. Let's wait and see. Because this could just be the reverse that comes with a liquidity sweep. Don't want to just go in yet. The price was now in equilibrium. Check the 5 again. It's kind of 30 seconds left. I'll enter right here. Order. I know this is a lot of money, but because I'm trying to hurry get out this EVA, if I got to make extra, I'll make extra. Oh, yeah, news is coming pretty soon too. We'll be out before news. Most def. Pretty sure. Yeah, these are red folders too. Man, we'll most def be out before news. Come on. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. All right. All right.
Order filled.
There we go. Done for the day. Like I said, damn, that sucks. My daily bias was wrong today. But I mean, I never heard anywhere in trading where it was, you know, horrible to go against your like, switch daily biases and shit like that. Like we were obviously proved wrong, like it's not going up. So I just stuck to my strat, bro. Stayed patient, like, which is super fucking hard for me to do. Very hard for me to do. But yeah, we stayed patient, waited for our strat. We got the continuation confluence. I wanted a reversal confluence because I really thought we were gonna go long. We didn't go long. Um, right here, it was a 5 minute fair value gap. Right, we had this 5 minute fair value gap you guys seen, and we had the order block up here. Right, this order block up here didn't get touched at all. All right, so cancel that. Bam. Let me just move. Can I move this? Right. We had this 5 minute fair value gap. This 5 minute fair value gap ended up getting filled. Right, and price respected it. So now, okay, that's two confluences right there. Now we got a higher time frame breaker structure. Right, shit's going down. Now we got a fair value gap too. Price retraced, respected it. So now it's like, okay, I wanted longs, but it was short. So it's short, and it's everything is screaming to me short. So now it's like, okay, what other retracement tool could I use to try and get back in the trade? We had equilibrium from this high down to this low. Actually, I marked it out wrong. I marked it out like this. We had equilibrium. Price did tap into equilibrium. Actually, I want to say this candle did. From Yeah, this candle almost happened to equilibrium, but it came back up enough. I got a good enough discount on it. Hit short and shit. Wrote it out. We're up. We did 2,000. Um, I know this is too much to make in a day, but I got to get off this eval. Most is gonna be is like another extra like 4 or 500, and we could do that again, and we could do that again literally in one day. So I'm not really stressing it, bro. Very very horrible week. Went two of 2 for 5 this week. Very horrible week. But it was a high impact news week. Um, but the wins are more than the losses. Like we took some losses, but we're still up on the week. Um, still can't believe I lost my express, bro. But it is what it is, man. Um, thank you guys so much for 70 subs. I believe. I think we're at 70. What the hell? What's my phone like this? I'm trying to show you guys. We're at 71. We hit 71 subs. Thank you guys so much for 71 subs. We're almost at 100. Um, yeah, bro. Thank you guys. I like I said, I was not expecting to be like this to be doing like any type of like numbers or any. The recording had ended. My fault. But like I was saying, see you guys Monday. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Stay safe. Stay blessed. For everybody that's like beginning to trade like me, use this time to like. I had a horrible week. Use this time to just get your mind right, do things that's not trading and shit like that. Yeah, man. Thank you guys for 70 subs once again.